Chira, eat, bro. Eat, yeah. Serve. This is Miale Special. It's my favorite chicken here. It's what I normally eat when I come here. It's like the best chicken ever. There's a part that I always like here. There's the part. There you go. Very nice. Thank you, my dear. Put this on the other side, tafadhali. Chira na Guinness. Umesema una mix Guinness na gin.
Yes.
It's fine bro. Kali ndio hiyo. So you can use that in music a bit, huh? So, also Shanghai cream. Spinach haina cream. Hii spinach iko poa sana. Need to eat this. It's also very healthy. Amkuli nyama bro. Hunter, why you like this, man? Mbona mko hivi? Wewe si Mluya?
Mluya bro ni pale. Masai ndio hapa.
Na nobody eating nyama. Mbona kila mtu akoma kwa Miale Special?
Ini ya Masai.
Mbona kule ugali?
Usipako utoke. Hii Masai rashawa.
Unasema hii ni ya Masai.
Ndio hii kula ugali. Chira brana kule ugali.
Ashiba.
Naitwa Chira.
Right.
Brian Chira.
Kama wasi. Time I used to look for you.
I saw the video. You crying. You want to see me? Obinna, someone! I thought it was sent to me. Then I reached out. Then that TikTok was hacked.
Yeah, yeah.
So now I have another account. So I tried to DM me. I'm like, now this guy. What was happening that time?
Nothing. That is when the story was coming out about me actually. Like my positive story. That was it.
Ukama kulia kwa live.
See, show this back.
Sambaya.
Wale mambo yako.
Masani mbaya.
You're gonna be on air on YouTube, Amo?
Yeah, YouTube and TikTok. You can also go live on your TikTok. Yeah, we are chilling here with Brian Chira.
The one and only.
Yes.
The OG of TikTok.
We had to take Brian to higher. Find Brian someone mutu anakama zuri, mutu anakama beautiful. Alafu of course we have to get guidance from mama yao.
The mommy.
The mommy. Yeah, the mommy. Sema Bald Men Association.
Bald
Yeah, Bald Women Association.
Bald women love better.
Bald,
Really?
Bald women love better.
Okay, but I'm happy to be here. It's an amazing, it's an honor to be here to hang around.
Chira, Brian, Chira.
Unasema something, unaambiana hivi mafans. Something coming up. Unasema something cooking.
For no reason.
Yeah.
Penda.
Right now what's cooking is just my hands. Brian alisema kama wewe si pesa.
Huwezi nipea stress.
Very good.
That's it.
If you're not money, you can't give me stress. Ama ni aje?
Na mimi nikasema if you are not money or if you don't have nyash. You know the stress me.
And what does it take to be on radio, by the way?
What it takes to be on radio?
Because some of these people on radio they don't have careers.
So nowadays radio is not like back in the day. Back in the day radio took going to school. Nowadays radio takes who do you know?
Really?
Yeah. Bro, let's be real. We have some people we can hear them on radio. We're like, what the fuck?
They literally don't know how to do radio.
Yeah.
13 I'm not sure. Africa Salvation.
Where? On radio?
No. Comedy.
You don't know that. On TV.
Ilikuwa nakuza kiss TV.
2013.
Yeah, 2013.
No, I think they were just being interviewed to do the hit. 2013, I was not working.
Not like not working like we were. It's a show that maybe had been sponsored by someone.
Probably.